Hi, Miss Rita and friends. Let me introduce myself. My name is Esther Erli Aritonang. I'm from 11E. Do you guys wondering what I will do here? You guys better prepare your ear because I want to tell you a story about Tempua and Quail bird from Riau. In ancient times, there lived two birds named Tempua and the Quail on the mainland of Tanah Melayu. The two of them were very familiar and friendly for a long time. At noon, they would eat together and face the ups and downs of life together. But in the end, they always separated because they slept in their own nest. Someday, Tempua and Quail have different opinions about the nest.
I have a comfortable and beautiful nest. It made from reeds and dry grass. It doesn't get wet when it rains, and it doesn't get too hot when it's hot. It took me weeks for making this nest.
Said Tempua. But Quail doesn't want to lose from Tempua. He said, "Oh, I have more a practical nest. I just need to look at the fallen tree trunk and take shelter under it. Tomorrow, I will nest in different place so the enemy doesn't know where I am during the day or night." They keep debate all the time. Then they finally agreed to try each other's nest. At the first night, Quail tries Tempua's nest. It is very high. Thus, Quail struggled to climb to the tree to reach Tempua's nest. When he arrived, he impressed by the nest. "Wow! Your nest is very comfortable, clean, and also neat," said Quail, impressed. At night, Quail felt thirsty and asking for a drink to Tempua. However, because it's already night and dark, Tempua told Quail to sleep again. Tempua ignored Quail. Then Quail have to endure its thirst and eventually fall asleep. When Tempua and Quail were sleeping soundly, suddenly a strong wind began to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. Tempua's nest was being tossed here and there. Quail felt headache and vomited as if being crushed by the big waves. Seeing his friend scared and vomiting, Tempua tried to calm Quail and said, "It's okay. Today, it's a bad day. But next day, the wind will stop and in the moment." On the next day, they get up early in the morning. But before go outside from the nest, Quail said, "Oh, I don't want to sleep in your nest again. I'm scared to falling down. However, I can withhold the thirst." But Tempua just stands silently. When the day getting dark, Quail begging Tempua to look for a tree to find a place for sleep on the night. After searching here and there, Quail finally found a tree to have sleep on the night. Quail felt happy because he just found his place to rest. But Tempua felt confused. He had to look around at the place but didn't see his friend nest at all. Out of curiosity, Tempua asked to Quail,
"Quail, where we will sleep tonight?" "Where we will sleep tonight? Are we sleeping under this tree?"
Then Quail said, "Oh, yeah, of course. We sleep under this tree." At night, Tempua and Quail were sleeping. But Tempua cannot sleeping. He just paced to Quail's side until he finally can fall asleep. Just after he closed his eyes, the rain fell with a lightning strike. The rain wet the ground where Tempua and Quail were sleeping. Tempua was already soaking wet and started to freeze and shivering. Then Quail had to convince his friend. "Oh, Quail! Oh, Tempua! That's okay. This animal in moment. Let's sleep again. The wind will stop." Not long after, the rain stopped. Then Tempua fell asleep beside Quail. In the morning, Tempua complained to Quail that he didn't want to sleep again on Quail's nest.
"Oh, Quail, I don't want to sleep in your nest again. It's very cold and scary."
Then Quail answered, "Oh, neither am I. I'm scared sleeping in your nest. Your nest is very high. I'm scared to falling down. Moreover, I can withhold the thirst." that, they agreed to respect each other's nest. But they still became friends together and still looking for food together. That's the end of the story. So the moral that we can get from that story is we can be friends with anyone, but please be respect to each other. Thank you for listening my story. I hope you guys enjoy my story. Thank you.